Hey everybody, we're going to be unboxing the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Explorer bundle. When I purchased it for Memorial Day, they gave us a mini 2-in-1 tripod and a neck gaiter. Those were already unboxed. Let's get right to it. So I will say I've already used this camera a little bit and it's been really great. I wanted the Explorer bundle with the printer so that the Explorer grip has an extra battery in it and it has some functional buttons on it for adjusting zoom and taking photos like a little small camera. This is the only knife I could find. I promise I'm not a serial killer. This is my first review and I'm very excited to get this opened up and start shooting future videos with it. Right now I'm shooting on a Hero 5 session, which is pretty hard to do because there's no screen showing you what your framing is. Alright, we got our pocket printer, got our flip screen hood, Explorer Pro grip, Ace Pro 2, an adorable little leather camera case. I'm going to start trying to film some videos of my water sports and travel, hiking, mountain biking adventures. So I think this is going to be a great addition, along with I've got the Insta360 the X5 for low light performance. So that's why I picked the Ace Pro 2 over the GoPro. Was it has superior low light performance. I'll definitely be doing a review once I get some more seat time with both of the cameras. See, oh, beautiful. So I'm going to have to set this up with the app once I get the battery in it. Oh, there's already one in it. So one battery's in there, extra battery. We got the 2 battery bundle, which is great. We got instructions and a charging cord. There's a mic cap for wind noise. That just slides on and off right here. And then this is the GoPro style adapter for the bottom. Just quickly attach this like that. And then you can attach it to this mini tripod. I've also got some other tripods I purchased. I'll put the links in the description. That's neat. So see, you can just put that together like that. Except you want to use the thumb screw. This thing is quite solid, I will say that. Quite hard to pull out. Not very long. Always keep your knife in your safety circle. Don't cut anyone when you're using a nice big knife like this, including yourself. Put a comment if you think I should review that knife. It's a Dow Strong. Don't remember the name. I can put that link in the bio too. This is pretty cool. This is what turns your Insta360 into a Polaroid type camera, or you can snap a photo. You don't have to print it, but you can. And then these boxes these days, they can't just open from the top. So I think this is the cartridge. This is the printer that just slides right on the bottom of the camera somehow. I'm not entirely sure how that works, to be quite honest. This is supposed to be just an unboxing. Very interesting. That's all it is. Lots of parts and pieces, but this is what I'm truly excited about, the Explorer Pro Grip. It's basically a case for the camera, and it's an extra battery as well. So it's got the zoom button, the shutter button, and I think this might change the ISO setting or something. Interesting. I need to read the instructions because somehow this flap is kind of in the way. This needs to plug into there. I assume this is not waterproof once you use this. I'm not sure how to get this flap in and out, to be quite honest. But you can see, you can snap photos with that. I plan to in the future get some different lenses for this. This also works with the GoPro mount on the bottom of this. Turn this into a selfie stick type deal. Alright, I'm going to try and finish this video for about the 4th time. The camera keeps shutting off. Not sure why, but I'm very excited to start using this Insta360 Ace Pro 2. So I think we're trying to figure out how to get this piece off in the last video. There's just a little slot right there where this will snap in and then it folds down. So this piece will plug right in, and then this snaps closed and you're ready to take photos. This is your shutter, this is your zoom, and this changes your filters. You can mount your light on top. You can also mount this magnetic adapter on the bottom, like so. There's a way that faces the front. I wish they had a spot to put the wind guard in this case. This case does hold the printer and the camera, and there's a couple little spots, little pockets in here for the adapters. I've got an extra battery. You can put that in there as well. got the lens hood. I never ended up unboxing that earlier, but basically it sticks on with sticky tape. I don't think I really need it. It's got little flaps that block the sun when you're shooting. It'll look something like this. I might add it later, we'll see how things go. But the printer comes with an adapter for the camera. It's a wireless printer again. And this basically turns it into a Polaroid camera. And I didn't unbox the wrist strap earlier. It's got a little ball, quick disconnect ball, and it wraps around your wrist real nicely. Locks on there, so if you're shooting in a boat, you know, if you drop it or something, it's not going to be a big deal. It's not. I don't think it's waterproof with this grip, but there is the Explorer grip, not the Explorer Pro, but the Explorer grip where there's no battery and no functional buttons. Well, there's buttons, but they're not digital buttons. That you can have the waterproof flap on there. You can get that in the white and silver kit. So I also got a thread-in adapter for that came with the free tripod selfie stick, and that works with the Insta360 X5. Let's see, there's so much stuff that I unboxed. Like I said earlier, I'm very happy to be switching over to the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 because GoPro keeps shutting off on me. They gave me a nice little neck gaiter for when you're shooting out in the sun. Gang gang! That'll come in handy this summer. They also gave me a nice little bag for the printer. You can put the printer stuff in there. There's a button on the front for disconnecting that. But I'll probably just use this nice little leather bag. It's pretty compact. I think I may end up getting a case for all of this stuff. It's going to be a little bigger, but it's padded for traveling. It's kind of the whole point of this setup is have my travel cameras. But I think that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to like, subscribe, and comment.